What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Sticker Bomb Moto. Yeah, and we out for a little ride, man. It was freaking raining all day. Finally stopped raining, and it's about to get dark. And I don't know about you guys, but I hate not riding every day. I gotta ride every day, man. Sometime, I mean. And I got a flat tire on this thing. The air holds for like an hour. So I gotta keep an eye on the watch, keep an eye on the tire. I gotta get a tube and get the tire tools and stuff like that. Because right now I'm really hard. Pumped it up extra hard, so it's like that much harder to wheelie. There's the old road that's been taking forever. It wants to go to the right for some reason, man. Once the tire gets a little lower, it'll be a lot better and more stable. It's harder with a hard wheel. When your tire's pumped up hard, when you're wheeling, man, it's hard. And also this cheap ass Chinese tire, man, I just gotta go get a tire for it. Might as well just get a tire and tube. Do a little slow first gear wheel. Let me see if I can. I got tired, but I got my first gears pretty good, man. I just need to get my second gears. I got to get the confidence when I'm cruising at that speed and it's going to start raining. There's just these trees dripping on me. Might start sprinkling again. Try a second gear here. That wasn't bad. Feels like my tire pressure's right at the right spot now. I wish it would stay. So we're gonna head back. That was a little choppy there. You got, man, you just gotta be smooth with the throttle and the brake, man. Come on, hold it up. I can't slow down now. I'm going too fast. I gotta bring it down once I get up to that speed. This bike has such a small balance point to be rocking it back at that speed, man. It either goes back on you or it jerks forward on you. Speeding up. I'm gonna get my arms. Your arms get tired quick, especially when you're out of shape like me. There we go. gonna get choppy with it. So man, I want to thank, you know, like I do all the time, man, thank all my subscribers, but welcome to, you know, the new ones, man. Since my last video, I had a little increase in subscribers, man, so welcome and thank you for subscribing and tuning in. I'm getting my chain tomorrow from my Supermoto, so I'll probably be out on that tomorrow, because man, am I missing that. Got a couple new parts to put on this thing. I'm just waiting for one other part to come in so I can do it all. And yeah, let this car go by. And we'll creep a first gear wheelie now. Creep a first gear wheelie down this. Oh man, I lost my phone. I hope I didn't lose my phone. I'm tired. Alright guys, I'm gonna let go of this back tire's getting a little low. Take her back. So man, like, comment, subscribe, man, and until my next video guys, Sticker Bomb Moto out. Deuces.